How to pin a document on Word app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pin a document on Word easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Word app. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is choose the document that you want to pin. For example, this one right here. All what you have to do now is click on those three dots right here. Click on them and choose pin to list like this, and now it's pinned. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.